Hello and welcome to the ChurchPlus YouTube channel. This video will guide you through the process of importing first-timers into the church management solution using an Excel or CSV template. Before importing your first-timers data from an Excel or CSV file, make sure the data is current and up-to-date. To import first-timers into your account, please follow these simple steps. 1. Log into your account. 2. From the menu area, select People and then select First-Timers. 3. On the First-Timers page, click on the Import button at the top right corner of the page. 4. Download the Excel file template onto your device by clicking on the blue text area. 5. Use the pre-designed format downloaded to input the data of your members. Remember that all Excel or CSV file headers are case-sensitive. After saving the file, return to the ChurchPlus account first-timer import page. Click on the drop-down menu to select the event or service your first-timers attended. Select the Click to Upload button to choose the Excel or CSV file from your device. Finally, click on the blue Upload and Preview button. After a successful upload, you'll see the data of your first-timers in the First-Timers dashboard area. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your first-timers data into your ChurchPlus account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to watch the next video and learn how to effectively follow up with first-time guests. For any questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to us via email at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching.